In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Cloudflare. We'll walk through the beginning of the process inside the Cloudflare dashboard, and I'll keep everything clear and easy to follow so you can move along with confidence. To get started, open Cloudflare and go to your account home. This is the main dashboard area where you can manage your website's security settings and domain-related options. If you're already signed in, this page is usually the best starting point because it gives you access to everything in one place. Once you're on the account home screen, click on Domains. This section is where Cloudflare organizes domain registration and transfer tools. If you're looking to bring a domain into Cloudflare, this is the area you'll be working in. After that, click on Overview. The Overview page gives you a broader look at your domain management options and helps you access the next setup actions more easily. Think of this as the control center for what you're about to do next. From there, click on Add Domain. This tells Cloudflare that you want to start adding a domain to your account. If you're transferring an existing domain rather than registering a brand new one, don't worry, you're still in the right place. Cloudflare uses this flow to help connect and set up the domain properly. Next, click on Connect a Domain. This option is important because it indicates that you already have a domain and want to bring it into Cloudflare's system. Make sure you choose this carefully so the platform guides you through the correct path. Now enter your domain name in the field provided. Type only the domain itself, without extra spaces or unnecessary prefixes. It's a good idea to double check the spelling here because even a small typo can cause confusion later in the setup process. Taking a few extra seconds now can save time later. Once the domain name is entered, click Continue. This moves you forward to the next stage of the Cloudflare setup flow, where additional transfer-related details will typically be handled. As you follow this process, remember that transferring a domain can involve a few verification steps depending on your current registrar and domain status. So if Cloudflare asks for more information after this point, just continue carefully and review each screen before submitting anything. And that's it for this part of transferring a domain to Cloudflare. If you follow these steps in order, you'll be set up correctly and ready to continue with the rest of the transfer process.